Hey guys, it's Chuck at TimberBend Farm coming to you with an update on the Barndominium. Let me flip around and show you what's going on. Okay, so this is the north porch, and so we have metal. We had some metal left over for our from the roof, and so we asked them to put that here on the porch. So we'll swing around. This is the front porch. It's 10 feet wide, and we have drops there for lighting. The metal guys and the electrical contractors were really nice to work together and kind of get us a plan for our lighting for the porch. The metal guys cutting the holes and getting them squared up, and then also leaving string for the electrical guys to pull wire through. Something else I want to show you, what we did on here on the porch. All four corners of the porch we're going to have a switched electrical box put right up there at the corner. And that way, if we ever want to do Christmas lights or party lights or just something different out here on the porch, there'll be a switch right inside the shop down there that will turn those outlets on. And we can run soffit lights or whatever we want to and plug them right in there. So pretty cool idea. Again, one of those things we saw on YouTube and on Facebook or someone's Barndominium channel and just adopted it here. That's such a good resource to have from what other people are doing. So anyway, we'll take you inside here and we'll take a look around. All right, not much to see as far as the HVAC system is concerned. They've come back and tidied up a lot, gotten the outlets actually installed, drain lines for the drip pan and those kind of things. So we've electricians have been in taking care of their stuff. Again, plumbing rough-in's been going on the last couple days, and so there we have that's the back side of the master bath. One of the things we did talk about and plumbers were able to do is they were able to tie all the vents to all the different plumbing fixtures on each side of the house together and run those down through the ceiling, and then those will actually run, that one vent pipe will actually pop out here in the shop, right up there. Yeah, there it is. And then we're gonna go through the sidewall, and I'll go outside here in a minute and show you where that's gonna pop up. Instead of going up through the metal roof, it's gonna come out a sidewall up there, and hopefully will be a little better, in a better area to not have a leak in the future. So again, rough-in plumbing, that's the back side of the laundry room. And then here we have, this area is out in the shop. I'll back up a little bit so you can kind of get a little idea. This is the outside shop door, and then that's the door that goes into the house. And I believe it's about 15 feet, this wall across here. And so what we're having them do is go ahead and stub in the plumbing and electrical for a future set of base kitchen cabinets and a stove. And then our goal is to be able to do our canning out here in the shop. We're going to create like a canning kitchen or a canning area instead of having that in the house part. So that will keep the heat and all that out of the house and make it a little nicer and give us a larger area to work. We'll set up tables and things when that time comes and be able to do that canning out there in the garage. Nothing else too exciting unless you just happen to love rough-in plumbing and electrical. If that thing turns you on, then I guess that's good, but anyway, not quite sure why that's like that, but we'll figure that out. So anyway, this is our home spot here. Got a little cleaning up to do. Huge pine trees on the property. The pond over there. Some more woods. But this is where our condensing unit will sit, right outside the shop door on the back side. And so anyway, guys, just a little update for you. Again, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thoughts, concerns, questions. Also, if you have any ideas that may help us at this stage, something to make it different or better, then certainly let us know what that might be. But anyway, thanks guys, we appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next video. So I forgot, I told you I was going to come outside and show you where that the vent pipe for the bathroom drains is going to come out, and we are going to put it right up here on this little wall, and it will be kind of tucked in underneath that eave where it won't get a whole lot of weather there, and it means we don't have 2 or 3 holes in this side of the roof. And they're going to do the same thing on the other side for the bathrooms that are over there. So hopefully no horizontal holes in any part of the horizontal roof. So anyway, now we're finished. Carry on.